some nice chess pieces over there. And right now we are approaching the Fullerton Hotel. You know, the red light window is just so nice, right? Look. You can even lie down on one of the benches if you like. Police notice coming down bridge. Use of this speed prohibited to any vehicle which exceed 3 CWT. I have no idea what it means. It's the old matrix of the past. 1868 PNW Mela Lan Glasgow. I think on this bridge remind me of the Hoba Villa. You know, there's a 10 hells, right? 10 courts of hell. And then the people who pass away, they have different bridges. Golden bridge for the people who do good and they go to heaven straight away. The silver bridge is for people who do some good but some evil, and they are reborn as humans. And then the last one, I think there's a bronze bridge or something. Actually, this place in front of a lot of smokers. I don't really like smokers, so I'm going to wear my mask now. There's some nice statue right here. Alright, so by the smokers for dumping, but I have my mask pulled down and ready to pull up anytime. This Raffles Place area is notorious for smokers, be it the office staff or the tourists. You know, during the weekdays, afternoon, the office staff will stand around in front. They will hike there and then they will like do their smoking business. Wow, what a nice Singapore river, right? You know, there's side a lot of restaurants and pubs, and if you walk along that stretch, right? That stretch is actually the Boat Quay area. If you walk, you can reach the Crab Quay, where there's another paradise, because there's this game called the Singapore Slingshot, where two participants or even single participant can just sit in a big seat, and then you're propelled outwards by some cables, you know, and then they hear the participants scream. It's just a bungee jump. I mean, no, not bungee jump, but some kind of monster ride. But then you're propelled 90 degrees vertically outwards. It's scary, right?
Oh, I saw him already.
But I've seen kids doing it also. But then it's not recommended for people above 45 years old due to it can be threatening for the old people, you know. And not old people, but people who are actually quite advanced in age. So I'm on my way to Raffles Place MRT. I just wish the Singapore can ban smoking. Even the Singapore Singapore women also smoke. I mean, not all, but some. I mean, I'm nothing against them, but I just can't stand the smoke, the smell. Even when the army last time, same thing. But last time in the army, we don't have the mask. I don't think I wore mask at that time. I wear mask. Now, we are free from the smoke. Raffles Place MRT, right? This place can link to many places, not just Malayan Park. You can go to Lau Pa Sat, famous hawker center in Singapore. And there are much more. Prudential Insurance. Look at the disclosure information. And hey, there are some pictures. Right? Look at that. Actually, you know, Raffles Place can link to so many places. You know, if you are single, you want to get good partner, right? You can try going to Yue Hai Jing Temple at Exit B. I've been there once. then not bad, but it's quite small. But I think it's not the size that matter. You have a lot of office tower here, and then Malayan Park is the SCH, the Market Street Hawker Center. You have Lau Pa Sat, Amoy Hotel, a lot of banks here, and even the Clifford Center and Clifford Pier. I believe there are some boats you can take to other parts of Singapore. So right guys, I'll end my video right here. Thanks for watching once again. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.